Canada's building trades unions have been urging the federal government to introduce a construction mobility tax credit for decades. Now, industry is joining us in calling for change. A construction mobility tax credit would give skilled construction workers personal tax relief for expenses they incur to temporarily relocate for work. The exemption would allow workers to deduct any work-related travel expenses not reimbursed by their employers. Construction is Canada's largest private sector industry. Its impact on the economy is immense. Construction accounts for 12% of our nation's GDP. The industry has more than 260,000 businesses and employs over 1 million Canadians. It is responsible for installing, repairing, and renovating more than $150 billion worth of infrastructure every year. However, this sector faces major human resource challenges, labor shortages, and labor mobility. The construction industry and government partners can partially solve labor shortages by encouraging more workers to temporarily relocate. Figures compiled on behalf of Canada's building trades unions show that the average mobile worker spends approximately $3,500 of his or her own money to temporarily relocate. A construction mobility tax credit would remove one of the largest barriers to labor mobility and pave the road for workers to move more freely between regions of the country where their skills are in demand. The Government of Canada has indicated regional skill mismatches are a priority. Now is the time to take action. Workers would benefit from reduced relocation costs and increased employment opportunities. Employers would benefit from access to larger pools of qualified Canadian workers. The Government of Canada would benefit from increased long-term tax revenues and reduced dependence on costly social programs. We recommend that the Government of Canada adopt a construction mobility tax item, such as is proposed in Bill C-201, on a trial basis through 2017. A pilot project to test this initiative will demonstrate that a construction mobility tax credit is sound public policy, which will yield significant benefits for workers, employers, and government alike. Let's put Canadians first. It's the right move.